Hey Fanbazzer here, how you going? Just trying out the BK Korean range food that they have going at the moment for a limited time. So I've ordered their Korean fried chicken burger and the Korean fried chicken, I think it's wings, I think it is. And yeah, so it's all come to $24.40. I've got some chips and some drink as well, so I'll catch you in a few seconds. Right, got the goods, so let's go and check it out. So, I got the fries, and I got the Korean burger, fried chicken, and I got the Korean 5-piece pack. Just gonna check this over. Oh, okay. So it's like breadcrumbs. Oh, I had this the other day. I thought it was going to be something different. I thought it was going to be actual chicken pieces, not like nuggets. That's alright, we'll put those to one side for now. So, we'll start with the whole reason why I came here is for the Korean fried chicken burger. So, it's a bit small. It's a cheeseburger size. Brioche bun. Let's have a look. So it's got your lettuce, your chicken fillet, your mayonnaise underneath. Just gonna try a bit of that. Just your standard mayonnaise. Let's try a little bit of this fillet. It scares me when it's a little bit. It's like a bread coating sort of over the chicken fillet. It's nice. It's not processed, it's actually an actual breast, I think. Right. Yeah, I'm getting it. So I'm getting the chicken coming through, obviously. It's like it's a chili sauce. It hasn't got a kick or anything like that. Very mild. At least it's a nice brioche bun, it's fresh. Getting the mayonnaise as well coming through. Oh. All up. It's a nice burger from BK. Hey, that was nice. So I got some of their chips as well. Well, for that Korean fried chicken burger, I enjoyed it, as you can tell. So, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, I'm going to rate them maybe a 7.5 star rating. I'm glad that they didn't have that strong kick about it. Very mild. Yeah, it was really nice. Bun was fresh. And I'm glad it wasn't a sesame seed bun. Yeah, it was a different sort of bun, so it was good. So obviously I've just finished work, and that's why I'm in my fluoros. At least their chips are cooked to perfection. A bit more crispier. Okay, fam. Well, I did the other day. Yeah, I did like them. They came with like a fish finger size Korean chicken with a coating on it. So I did review these about a week ago. Basically, they're like a nugget with a tiny little bit of spice, but not much. A little bit of a sauce happening there, but yeah. Okay, fam. That was my day. I've had a busy day. It's been a hot day. Got all my windows down. I think it's been like 32 degrees, I think. Hot and humid here in New Zealand, so Okay, well, I'm going to let you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Catch you later.